Hello world class. Okay, so I'm super excited. We have gotten to the end of the video. Okay, so this is the part 7. This is the part 7, and this is a very important part in this series. Okay, so I get so many questions from students and clients. Okay, so how can they run ads? Like, for instance, if your WhatsApp contact is not linked to your Facebook page, or you don't just want the ad to come through WhatsApp, your WhatsApp contact, and you have other means where you want the ad to start converting, where you want conversion to take place. Okay, so what you need is a landing page. Okay, because there's a client I run ads for. There's a client I run ads for, that was last year. Okay, the first ad I did for her, she was complaining that so many people were coming, and 25% were not clicking on the link she was dropping for them. Okay, so what she did was, people will come direct to our WhatsApp. She will drop the group link. They have to click on the group link. Then get to the training group. Okay, but it was not really happening, and it was kind of stressful for her because she might not be online when those messages are coming. And before then, people think a lot, and they might just forget they were supposed to click on that link and get to the training link. So what she did was to create a landing page. Now, when people click on that landing page, when they click on their ad on Facebook, it will take them to the landing page. Then there's a link on the landing page that will take them direct to the WhatsApp training group without going to the ladies' DM, and it makes things easy for her. Okay, so you can use a free landing page to do this. Okay, because people complain there's no money to subscribe, and that should not hinder you from setting your ad and achieving your goal. So I'll be using a free landing page for this. You just have to follow the step and set your landing page. You can either use the template or you use a fresh page. Create your landing page what you want, then it will start giving you the results you want. You copy the link, then use it to run your Facebook ad. It's as easy as that. Okay, so this is the end of this series, and this is the part 7. And in this part 7, we'll be learning how to create landing page. Okay, for your ad, how to create landing page. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, this is the time to subscribe, comment, and like this video. Okay, so I will see you in my system. All right.
Okay guys, I promised I was going to create another landing page with a different site, different from the one we just finished. Okay, so the second site I'll be using is system.io. So you just put in your email address, notification has been sent to my email 877049. So if you've already created an account with them, this is how the interface is going to be like. I have an account with them, so that's why it's like this. But if you don't have an account with them, you have to create an account, your email, your contact, phone number, set a password, then your name, and you're set to go. So if you want to create an account, if you want to create a landing page, you come to website come to website, click on sell funnel. These are different sell funnel I have. I have 2 sell funnel here, so you can create a sell funnel. So under the sell funnel, you can then create your landing page. So if you are creating your landing page, you just choose a template. You click on here, type in the name of your sell funnel. So I will type in the name of my sell funnel. I'll type in business academy. Then it's for sale. You can decide to put the currency you'll be using. USD. You put your, this domain name is going to come out automatically. Sales. If it's to build audience, you can click on build audience. Whatever your aim is, you can choose it. From here you can see build an audience, collect email address and build your email list. This place is sell a product. So if you want to build an email list, you can use this. Then run an ever, build a custom. So I can just choose this, but I'm going to choose sell. Then click on it. The sell funnel is built. So this is the second funnel I just built. So I'll click on the business academy. It has been created successfully. So I'll click on it. So this is how the interface is going to look like. And this is the thing, this is the other phone, this is the thank you, this is the it's inactive page. So you just come here, select the template you'll be using. Select the template you'll be using. Template you know is relatable and you can design it. Now I can decide to use thank you page. Let me see how it's going to look like. This is a thank you page. I can just see any relatables and use. So I'll be using this one. Select. This is morning, so my voice is not really clear. So you just manage this video like this. Okay, so you click on edit page. Click on edit page. Let's hold on while it's loading. So this is how the page came out. So you can decide to delete all this and focus on what you want. So you click here, you click on this area, this green selected stuff will come up. Then you click on delete. Click on delete. Then this is you can delete here. You can delete here depending how you want your page to look like. You can delete this depending how you want your page to be like. So you can leave this for your contacts to add. For instance, if you have a WhatsApp group you want people to click on, so I won't be needing this, so I'll just delete it. I'll just delete it. I don't want this to be a thank you page, so I'll just change it to So I'll just change it to learn how to run simple Facebook ads. So this is it. You can decide to reduce the size by clicking on font size, reduce the size, then the height. This is okay. I can decide to bring it up. So this is how our page is going to be like. You are in row you are now in row. I'll send you, so I'll just leave this like that, but you can decide to change it depending on what you want. So if you made a mistake, you can you can undo it here. I made a mistake before. This was how I made it look like, so I clicked here to undo it. So these are text. If you want to add text to your work, you can click here. If you want to add headline, if you want to add bullet to it, if you want to, this is a content box. This is how the box looks like. You can decide to add something in this content box. Okay, so now you are creating a landing page and someone sent pictures for you to add to that landing page. So all you need to do is click on media, click on image, then click on drag and drop your file here, photo library. Then you can decide to, if it's this picture you want to advertise or you want to create, you want to showcase, you can click on this picture, then click on done. This is the picture. Okay. So this is the picture. It will always go down, but if you want the picture to come before this, all you need to do is to click this place has been highlighted, then this place has been highlighted, which means the next whatever you're typing will be after this cover picture. So I've clicked on this to bring out this green button. I don't know if you understand. Then I'll click on the image. Okay, this is the image I'll be using. I have it in my sub already. Okay, so I have it here. You can also select from the image you uploaded before. So I'll just click next. So you can decide to drag this picture to wherever you want it to be. So I'm trying to drag it. You can click on the picture and drag it to where you want it to be. See? see? Yes, so I want it to be here, so I dragged it there. Then if I want to add a text, I can just duplicate this text, copy it, then change it to welcome to my space. Okay, so this is it. You can decide to drag it also. So this is just it. You just have to keep practicing, then you discover so many things. So you can bring this down, just set it the way you want it to be. Delete this, so this is so you also check if the desktop view and the mobile view is okay. So I'll delete this place. Okay, so this is how it is. Okay, so let's say this is how I want my website, my landing page to be like. So I'm changing it to desktop view now. So to add a link that will enable people to click, that will take them to then to create a link that will enable people to click, like click and buy now, for instance, if this is what you want to use as your button, or click to join the group. Okay, if I want to change this to click to join the group, I'll just click here, and edit it. Then I will change it to, this is where I will change it to. Click, I'll say join the class now. Okay, this is what I want. Then I will add a link. I'll add a URL to this. So I can just copy my URL. Let's say I want to use this as a URL. You can use as a URL. You can use anything as a URL. So I'll be copying this. I've copied it. Then I come to this place, paste it. I'll paste it. So this is our URL. So this is our URL. I've pasted the URL. So anyone that click on this link, it will take them to that WhatsApp. So I can decide to change the background. Since it's WhatsApp, I can decide to change the background to green. Then button, can decide to change the font style. You just have to make your own research. Try to practice this. Also, if you want to make it longer, you can click this, it will become longer, but I like making it like this. So this is it. So there are so many things you can just play around here. If I want to start going through everything one after the other, it's going to take the whole day. So all you need to do is just try and go through the class. So if you don't want to use the button they have already on the template you choose, so you can just come here, come to element, this is block, this block, these are the other templates you can just add up. If you need a testimony page, price plan, you can just add it to this plan, to this landing page you are designing. So let's go back to our element. So now I want to add button. Let's assume this template has no button, so I want to add button to it. So you can see from here, let me just explain. This is text if you want to add text, this is headline text if you want it to be bold, this is bullet if you want to list the things, this is content box. This content box, now you can bring it here to make it separate the text from this other text. Like where this thing is, this is a content box. You can decide to add anything here. So I'll be deleting this. I'll be deleting that. So this is a content box, this is a colon, this colon, this is a colon. If you have things to add today, let's say your image, I have this image already here, so I'll just choose this and just click next. So I'll just click on this. So this is how it is. You just have to keep practicing. So then if you want to add button, like I said, if you don't have button already and you want to add button, so I can just add this content, then drag it to here. Okay, so this content, there's this content here, so I'll just add button to it. Whatever you're doing, to always come down. Whatever new setup or new image or new text you are typing, it will always come down. So what you need to do is to drag it to where you want it to be. So I want it to be here. So I'll just edit this button. To edit this button, all you need to do is click on this setting icon. Settings, so I want to edit it. So action button. So open URL. So you want to add your URL to it. So that URL I copied I would be copying it again. So maybe I should just use one of my group link. One of my group link. Okay, so I'll copy this link. Bring it here. Then I'll paste the link here. Then it's in center already. So this is it. If you want it to be topped, if you want it to go up, you can click on it. Then button, you can change the right top here to join now. So you can decide to add subtext. The subtext, you can decide to say anything, but I don't want any subtext, so I'll be deleting it. I've deleted the subtext. Then you can decide to increase the font if you want, make it bigger. The width, you can decide to increase it or make it bigger. So I'll change the color. I will just leave the color, but you can come here and change the color to whatever color you want, black, any color. So I'll just leave it as it was. Then don't forget, if you want to edit anything, always come here, click the setting, edit them. If you want to edit it, like this place, this join the class, see how wide the button is. So I can decide to edit it here. Then come here and choose fluid. See how short it is now. So I'll come back to editing this. You can also do your research. Go on YouTube. And watch videos on how to create landing page on system.io, or how to create landing page on card.co. Those are the two landing page I always use. So I think everything is set. You can make your own better. Okay, you can make your own landing page better compared to this. So there's a place you can select button. If you want button icon, there's a place you can select button icon. I'm still looking for it. Okay, this is the icon selected. So you can select the icon you need here. You can just select it. If you want something like this, say it's added to it. If you want to add something like this, anything that will just give extra look to your landing page, you can just click it. So that will be all for this lesson. You can make your research. Go on YouTube. That is how you learn. You just need idea about something, then you can make your research. That is how I learn. Like the course I bought for this, they really didn't take time to explain to me, but here I am spending some time explaining this thing to you so you understand. Okay, so this is how our it's supposed to be final than this, but I'm rushing though. So this is how our landing page is okay. So I'll be deleting these things. So now it's time to publish it. So you just click on, you see where this save is, save change. You save it, then you can view your landing page. This is how your landing page is going to be like. So click here. You see it has taken me to join the WhatsApp group. There's no WhatsApp on this iPad. So you see, so that is it. So if you want to publish it, you click on this arrow icon here, click on it, then your website is published. You can change the name so you remember. So I can just say testing. I'll just name it as testing, then copy the link. This is the URL, this is the link you'll be sending to people. This is the URL, the link you'll be sending to people. So you copy it. Now come to WhatsApp. If I want to send it to someone on WhatsApp, okay, so let's hold on while it's loading. So I'm going to show you a website I created for a lady. So you see you can do more with this. So you see you can do more with this. So this is the website. This is the one I did for a lady that sells, that promote her business. She does on exportation. She send local product to people, the different people outside Nigeria. So this is the landing page I did for her. So you see how fine it is. Simple but very okay. So this is it. You can do more. Just take your time. If you need extra knowledge, you can go on YouTube and search how to design with system.co, system.iu, how to design with card.co. Why I decide to teach these two landing pages, because sometimes card.co you might just set up everything at the end, you can't publish. So but with this one you are free from such thing. So that is all for today. Okay, so the link we copied, okay, so now I'm pasting it to someone on WhatsApp. Maybe I want to invite the person to the class, so I'll just click here. Okay, so this is our this is our landing page. It's being published. So I hope this answer most of the question, most of the worry. If you want to start creating landing page for people, this can serve you right. Thank you for staying up to this time. If you want extra knowledge, I'll always say make research. You cannot learn one thing from a particular course. Make your research. But with this course, I know you can do exploit. You can do more than you expected. Okay, bye.